Why are Spring Boot starters better than managing individual dependencies? Imagine building a house and having a box of tools ready for every task. Now picture trying to gather each tool separately for each part of the project. That's what managing individual dependencies feels like in back-end development. Instead, Spring Boot starters act like a ready-made toolkit, making your life much easier. These are pre-packaged sets of dependencies designed specifically for Java Spring Boot projects. Instead of hunting down each library needed for a feature, you just include one starter. For example, if you want to build a web application, you add the Spring Boot Starter Web. It includes everything you need like web servers, REST controllers, and JSON processing. This saves you hours of searching and troubleshooting. When you use starters, you also avoid dependency conflicts. The dependencies inside starters are curated and tested together by the Spring team. This means they work well with each other and are kept up to date. You don't have to worry about incompatible versions causing errors at runtime. Setting up a project becomes faster because you can turn on complex features with just one line of code. Developers can focus on writing business logic instead of configuring libraries. Starters also come with default settings that are optimized for common tasks. This reduces boilerplate code and configuration errors, especially for beginners. Using starters makes your project cleaner and easier to maintain. The dependencies are grouped logically, so updating or removing them is straightforward. Plus, the Spring Boot community supports these starters widely. If you run into issues, solutions are easy to find because many developers use the same setup. For backend work involving APIs, databases, or server-side logic, Spring Boot starters streamline the process. They help you integrate web servers, database connectors, and security frameworks quickly and reliably. This means you spend less time managing dependencies and more time building your application. Overall, Spring Boot starters make backend development faster, more consistent, and less prone to errors. They're like a trusted shortcut that keeps your project on track from start to finish.